In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use JQL in Jira for performing effective search queries. Whether you're a seasoned Jira user or just getting started, mastering JQL can significantly enhance your efficiency when navigating tasks and projects. Let's break this down step by step to make the process as straightforward as possible. First things first, you'll want to visit the Jira website. Once you're on the homepage, click on the option to sign in using your Google account. This will streamline the login process if your Google credentials are already linked to your Jira account, saving you precious time. Once you've signed in, direct your attention to the left panel of your screen where you'll see a filter drop-down. Go ahead and click on this. Filters are an incredibly powerful tool within Jira that let you manage and view the information that matters most to you. By accessing the drop-down, you're setting yourself up to dive deeper into the tasks at hand with more precision. After you've navigated to the filters, the next step is to click on Search Work Items. This option will open up a field where you can narrow down your search beyond the basic filters. Here, the power of JQL really starts to come into play, allowing you to perform more complex queries than typical search options avail. Now, move your gaze to the center where you'll see an option to click on JQL. Clicking here switches your view to the Advanced Search using JQL, which stands for Jira Query Language. This tool is akin to SQL for databases. It's a textual search option that provides you with even more control over the details of your queries. Once you're in the JQL view, you can start typing in your query to conduct a quick search. To structure your queries efficiently, remember that JQL follows a straightforward field operator value format. For instance, if you're looking for issues created in the past 30 days, you might use a query like created showco 30th order by created DSK. Think of keywords like and, or, not, and order by as your best friends when crafting JQL. They're similar to everyday language phrases that help you specify and filter your search results accurately. So, for instance, you could use JQL to find all the issues assigned to you that are still unresolved by combining the operators effectively. With these steps and tips, you should be well on your way to confidently using JQL in Jira to enhance your project workflow. By leveraging the full potential of JQL, you can ensure that you're always working with the most relevant, up-to-date information, making your tasks more manageable and your work life a bit smoother. Happy searching, and see you in the next video.